Test natin tong WE 1911 Tactical. Shoutout kay Sir Ryan. So naka metal slide, metal yung lower frame nya, and then may thread na rin yung outer barrel. 45 PCP, single stock magazine. Price is 5,900. So naka-sale siya. Okay, test natin. 329. So guys, for details, mag-PM kayo sa page namin, Mavs Hobby Shop. Thank you kay Boss Ryan.